what? I'm the Flat Rate Master, and let's talk about, well, the king of rebranders that, well, nobody talks about. Everybody over the years has given me hell about buying from Matco, whether it was my toolboxes, sockets, my ratchets, or whatever. They always, voice their opinion that they are rebranded. I know they are. I bought them for ease of warranty and because I like specifically Matco's ratchets. But the whole point of buying tools from a distributor is the warranty. Now, who's the king of rebranding tools? Harbor Freight. Harbor Freight does not manufacture a single product. They are a retail store that people just don't seem to understand. I know this is kind of ranty. Everything you can buy at Harbor Freight can be bought somewhere else. Probably even their Icon series toolboxes are probably retailed somewhere else, but probably not very easily. Their sockets, their ratchets, their wrenches are all made in Taiwan at the same plant that many other rebranding companies are made at. Now, obviously, if you live near a Harbor Freight, warranty is a key thing about that, and that's fine. Keep in mind, I will say this, almost everything you can buy at Harbor Freight can be bought somewhere else. Sometimes at significant savings, sometimes not. But their wrenches, made by Cabo. Their ratchets, Cabo. Their sockets, Cabo. Everything they sell is rebranded. There's similar products from Tecton, from Mountain, from Capri, whatever you want to call it. All those companies are rebranders. That's all they do. I don't understand the attraction to Icon as much as a lot of other people. Yes, they're more affordable than tool trucks. They're good products. You can buy gear wrench way cheaper than tool truck products. Guess what? They're probably made at the same plant. Obviously, some of the stuff is harder to find who the actual original manufacturer is, but there's too many similarities to too many other products out there that they're not probably made at the same plant. So understand that when you're buying Icon, it's rebranded. Warranty, though, is nice. I'm going to say that. Being able to go to the store and get it warranted is a lot easier than going online. And paying a little bit of a premium is okay. Just understand. Stop giving people that buy Matco stuff crap because you're buying rebranded stuff too. So hope you enjoyed this video as always. Thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.